Now, I want to see something, because I saw something that looked like an elevator shaft down here. Yes, that was right. I was right.
Going down.
Oh, jeez.
All right, here we go. This one could have easily been made glass. What's that here?
7th floor.
Nothing interesting.
Going down.
Alright, go all the way down. It's got a door hold button. I wonder what this was. Look at that track. Might have been armor or something. I don't know. Yeah, this is in the same building as the glass shouldn't reach tape. This is a monitor TR install by an unknown company. I might make these separate videos while I'm down here.
Lower level.
Interesting system. Alright, that's it.